In this video, we are going to see how we can view the already entered ledgers along with the opening balances like we have entered in the last video. We have entered all the ledgers along with the balances, but if you want to see the ledger details, how we can see that, and if we want to completely see and alter some of the balances or some of the nature of accounts, and we want to see the same screen from where we entered it earlier, how we can do that? Let's see. So from the masters, we will go to the alter button, and if you just want to see the ledger details, we will just go to the accounting masters, and under the accounting masters we will click on ledgers. Now here we will see the list of ledgers, but we cannot see the balance or the nature of account here. So if you want to see any individual ledger details, we can enter that, and this is the single entry mode where we are in the ledger alteration mode, as you can see here on the left. So we can change the nature of account, we can change the balances, and if there is any mistake with it, we can correct that. But what if we want to see all the ledgers together along with the balances? For that, we want to go to the same area, that is chart of accounts, under the masters area. Just click on this chart of accounts, hit enter, and select ledgers. Once we are in the ledgers, we see only the list of ledgers on our left, but if we click on multiple masters, we can click on multi-alter, and then we click on all items. So not only we can see the same screen from where we entered all the ledgers, but if you want to make the corrections in any of the name of the ledger or the nature of account or even the opening balances, we can do it right at one place, and we can also continue adding more. So let's say that if you just entered some ledgers for the day and you kept the rest for the next day, you can continue it from here as well. So this is a very important area that you need to check. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.